Good afternoon from Grand Plain Farm. It's July 18th, 2025. It's just after 5 o'clock. And just changing the water. Sally's not happy. The weather is not looking good. I'm not happy either. At least it's cooled down a little bit. Got a breeze going. And we have darkness. I want our blue sky back. Oh, there goes Cecil. I don't know where he's going. I think he wants to go see that goat that's screaming. And he's got a stick for the dog. Yeah, we're on our way down to milk Bella and feed the animals. Wife's getting the milk bucket right now. And I think Cecil will meet us down there. Cecil's driving, so taking it slow here. Hey, where you look? Look at the road.
There's a goat.
Good turn now. Turn. You're not a very good driver. He said milk Bella, and Bella's gonna finish up her grain before she goes back to her pen. Lisa's taking grain down for the rest of the goats right now. And of course Edith is running down there. She already had her grain. And of course she had to share with the goats. Harold Laurie had his grain. Looking for something different. There he is. Alright, we got the chores done and we're headed up to the house and have some dinner. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.